How to freeze skin tags with tips to help you with. Skin tags are pieces of skin that stick out and hang off its surface. As you age, more skin tags may begin to appear, especially around the neck. The quickest and safest way to remove skin tags is much the same way as removing warts. This treatment is called the freezing treatment. You can remove skin tags by freezing it off directly using liquid nitrogen, or a store-bought wart treatment available in drugstores. Although skin tags are harmless, many people opt to remove them in order to have perfect and attractive skin. But there are also skin tags that can cause irritation, inconvenience and even pain. According to medical experts, skin tags may be associated to aging and friction by rubbing the skin area. Let us then see how to freeze skin tags. Prepare the necessary things that you'll need, such as over-the-counter wart freezing treatment and liquid nitrogen. You will also need tweezers and gauge. Purchase an over-the-counter freezing treatment such as the wart removal product called compound.W. This also works well in freezing skin tags. There are also different kinds of treatment available. The ranges from gel to pads to freezing pens that can directly treat the affected area.